Hello, and thanks for joining our presentation on innovations in induction sealing. This is BJ Raddick, Selig's Regional Sales Manager. Selig is a global leader in the supply of induction sealing materials for consumer packaged goods and a specialist in consumer convenient packaging. With our operations in North America and Europe and sales offices in Latin America and Asia, we cover the world's container sealing needs. Today, I'll be presenting our innovations in induction sealing. So, why use induction seals? Before we dive into the subject of innovation, let's review the various benefits and functionality of induction seals. Originally, induction seals were used to prevent liquid leaks, but now are used to ensure consumer confidence, provide tamper evidence, promote shelf life for products that are oxygen or moisture sensitive, retain product aromas, prevent in-store sampling and pilferage, as well as provide anti-counterfeit features. New and specialty products. Selig has several product offerings that are unique in the industry, as well as services offered to complement our product line. Unifoam US. Unifoam US is a 3-ply co-extruded low-density polyethylene foam liner, which is equivalent to Tri-Seal's F217, but manufactured by Selig, with our industry-leading customer service, quality, and lead times. The Unifoam has excellent chemical resistance. It doesn't create dust during the lining process like pulp-based liners do. It's non-absorbent, so it's ideal for liquid applications. It's also compressible and resilient. It can be used in a wide array of applications, including beverage, pharmaceutical, personal care, cleaning products, just to name a few. Induction sealing for glass containers. Sealing to glass or sealing to quote-unquote treated glass is not new. It's been done successfully for many years, primarily in the food industry for spices, although mayonnaise, nut butters, and now cannabis are all being sealed successfully. We developed a new line of induction seals we call Glass Fuse. Glass Fuse is broken down into our Delta Seal 9000, which is a 2-piece induction seal, a lift and peel version called LPF as in Frank, and a foam-backed version called Uniguard 925. These materials are FDA and EU compliant, including for fatty foods or products with high oil content. They can also be used for many liquid applications. Vented liners. Some products, when packaged, require venting. Venting may be needed to allow for pressure equalization due to the shipping conditions or off-gassing of the product being packaged. Liners can have a breathable valve installed to allow for gases to escape but prevent liquids from leaking out of the package. For dry products like protein powders, a breathable heat seal coated paper layer can act as a vent. As some products like pool chemicals or bleach move to higher concentration formulas, there may be a need for gas venting or pressure equalization. Selig offers another type of induction seal we called Duo Seal. Our Duo Seal structure allows for 2 plastic parts to be welded or permanently bonded together. In the case of this Tropicana package, our Duo Seal permanently bonds the polypropylene snap-on dispensing closure to the PET bottle so the consumer cannot remove the cap. This type of technology could have an application in condiments sold to restaurants and prevent refilling a package with a cheaper, lower quality substitute. Lift and Peel Max. For maximum branding and package differentiation, Lift and Peel Max provides a full surface print on our Half Moon tabbed Lift and Peel as opposed to the standard printing on the tabbing only. This full surface print can help with product branding or to provide specific direction on how to use the product. Anti-counterfeit technology. Selig recognizes the increasing risk to consumers and brand owner reputations when product authenticity is questioned. We offer several anti-counterfeit technologies, both overt and covert. For overt anti-counterfeit, we offer holographic images, color shift inks, etc. They're useful tools for consumers, distributors, retailers, and the brand owner to determine authenticity. With covert technology, which are methods not readily visible to the consumer nor the potential counterfeiter, the options available are microscopic print or microprint, etched foil, encoding, and NFC technology. These methods are used by brand owners and retailers to identify fake products in the distribution chain, allowing the ability to track down the source of the counterfeit product. Let's talk about the development process, some new product launches, and active R&D projects we have in the pipeline. Let's see if any of you are interested in partnering with us for further development. Product development. Like many of you, Selig uses a stage gate process for new product development. Our lab and development capabilities are used not only in our internal product and process development, but also to assist our customers in their package and process development as well. With our wide range of induction and testing equipment, we're able to run pre-line trial experiments and complete post-trial package testing. Now we'll talk about a couple of our recent new product launches. We have two concepts that we've taken out of our prototype stage to assess customer interest before we develop commercially. Our tamper seal development addresses the consumer problem of easily accessing product that also requires tamper evidence and a hermetic seal. This problem is well known by consumers of the OTC pharmaceutical products sold in plastic bottles. This industry requires the seal to be hermetic, protecting the product from oxygen and moisture, but also be tamper evident. That usually means the consumer has to use a tool or a knife to puncture the liner and to access the product. The tamper seal uses the half moon tab, allowing for consumer convenience while still offering tamper evidence and a hermetic seal. The brand protection strip is an inexpensive way to instill consumer confidence by having a strip of material that appears visually to offer anti-counterfeit features. Development concepts. We have a pre-prototype concept that would allow beverage consumers to pierce a liner with a straw and allow for a more controlled dispensing, especially for consumers on the go. Alternatively, consumers not wanting to use a straw would still have the convenience of an easy lift and peel seal to remove the seal and consume the product. This is still in the concept stage and additional development is necessary. If this might be something that you're interested in, let us know. The lift and pour liner is also in the pre-prototype concept stage. This would allow controlled dispensing using the liner rather than a fitment or closure for controlled dispensing. This is accomplished by the consumer first removing a lift and peel type liner to expose a layer with a pre-punched hole or holes. And again, if this concept is of any interest to you, please let us know. Let's talk about sustainability. Sustainability is no longer a buzzword. Sustainability will drive change in packaging in the years to come. Selig is neither relying on nor waiting for chemical recycling to be commercialized to allow for complex or multi-layer material recycling. We have several R&D projects actively looking for solutions that can be deployed in addition to or in place of advanced recycling technology being ready. Our projects include all plastic monomaterial liners that have a sealing technology other than induction, which today requires foil. One example is ultrasonic sealing technology. The slide illustrates the ultrasonic process used for coffee capsules. We're also researching other materials that do not include foil that could be easily used with induction technology and therefore would be more easily accommodated in our industry that's already set up for induction sealing. And in some cases, we're engaging third parties to assist us with their experience, education, and research capabilities to expedite solutions. We'll talk about some of the developments regarding sustainable coffee capsules. Selig's unique ability to design easy to open but also hermetically sealed packages has opened up other possibilities for the use of liners. Keurig-style K-cups have been a target of sustainability proponents as they are not currently recyclable, although there are plans in place to make the cup component recyclable. Selig has proposed a concept whereby the current lidding material is replaced by our consumer-friendly lift and peel lidding. Not only does this allow easy separation of the components, but the half moon tab also prevents the consumer from having to contact the hot coffee grounds or hot foil material when separating the components. We believe the concept has a significant amount of merit behind it.